Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Normally I didn't plan another update about Bitcoin today, but because we have now reached the target area really, so we've broken into it basically, I thought I'd just do another one and update you about the Elliott Wave count here, how I see it currently, and we're now in the area that we've been waiting for since November, and I can't stress it enough. It has really been a journey, and I thought, it's really been up and down, and we've been through this together, and it really has been a long journey, and it's just a journey, isn't it? And I think as soon as we see some kind of reversal here and everybody's happy again, then it's time for a bit of an MCO Classics compilation where maybe I can cut together some of the best video moments. We'll see, that really just document that journey down here, because it was a really interesting journey, and I'm quite pleased that we are finally there. Not because prices are dropping that much, and people are naturally frustrated, but on this channel you should have been prepared for that. Yeah, that's what I tried to do. Always tried to stress the most likely scenario for Bitcoin, and this was the most likely scenario. The so-called expanded flat pattern, an A-B-C correction where you need to come lower than the wave A in your wave C. Yeah, this is just the most likely one, a so-called expanded or irregular flat pattern. That's as simple as that. There were other possibilities, but they were just not that likely. So again, I could have told you all of them, but I chose to go only with one and maybe another alternative at some point here. But still, the destination was always the same, and we have come into it. So 28.7K was target and below. So what has happened now? So as I already told you in the previous video, I do expect still lower prices. Told you that we should make at least one more low, and that from now on every low could be the last one. We've moved up here in this fourth wave. This reached the 23.6% fib level of that wave. Yeah, just to indicate that again, here retracements, and for the wave 4, the minimum it needs to reach, it's not a lot. It only needs to retrace around 20% of that wave, and it did that here, reached the 23.6% Fibonacci level, 32.1K. It was reached. As I indicated, the wave 4 could already be finished. Of course, there's never certainty. It could have also gone up all the way to 34.9K. The 50% fib level, only above that, we would have had to consider another alternative. But as always, there's no point discussing these when those levels haven't been reached yet. Yeah, I mean, technically, always everything is possible to a degree. It's all about probabilities, and that is what I try to communicate here on this channel. We try to go with the most likely scenario. Now, obviously, this could have been the wave 5 now. Yeah, do we have more space in the wave 5? Of course, and also I don't think we have 5 waves already in this 5th wave, which would complete a higher level wave 3. So with this knowledge, we can now calculate the target area for that wave 3, because it's the higher level one. So in yellow here, that 5 wave move completes that blue wave 3. This is how I see the market at the moment, and for that we can draw the Fibonacci extension levels. Let's just do that, and that gives us a price target for that wave 3 now, in which area we can get into. So this is where we have landed. Yeah, look at that. What do I always say? Wave 3 target at least, here in blue, wave 3 target at least the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and the price, in my opinion, has reacted to it. Yeah, we've come down to 28.6. Sorry, we've come down to 28.6, and no, sorry, I'm just looking at the wrong thing. We've come down to 27.7 pretty much, and the 1.618 fib extension was 27.56. Yeah, something like that. So we missed it by $150. That is fine. That can be considered reached. Now, this could already have been the low of the wave 5, be wave 5 in yellow or wave 3 in blue here. Don't think so yet. Even though we have seen quite a strong reaction. but we don't really have the 5 waves yet. Yeah? So I could go to the 2-hour chart and we see it a little bit better, but from that, let's say, okay, that was the wave 3, that was the wave 4, maybe that was the wave 1, 2, this would then be wave 3 of the wave 5, and I don't want to make it complicated, you know, but I would expect at least one more move down to maybe really get to the 1.618 or maybe even the 200%, and that would already be at 24k. So somewhere here, I would say the 27.5 should need to be reached at least one more time. And here anyway, as I told you, I would expect significant support anyway, because this is also the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So let's take a look at that, because that is highly relevant. That is a significant support level. If I draw the Fibonacci levels from the low to the high of the wave 1, you can see here 27.4k. In that area is the 61.8% Fib level. It is a very relevant support level, and that's probably another reason why we found support there. So it will be very interesting to see what happens when that gets broken. I think then we are going to go down to around 25 to 23k. But maybe it's holding and maybe we're already turning around here. This we will only know in a couple of days, I guess. Yeah, or in the next few days we will see that decision. I can't tell you that yet. The probability on the likelihood is that we drop at least one, well, I told you in the last video, we drop at least one more time, and maybe we make another lap of honor here and come up once more and retrace down then, but not before we see the wave 3 low here. And we need to see how the price is going to react. I need to give it 1 or 2 more days to see that, and then we can be more clear about, all right, do we retrace here one more time and come down then? Or was that already it? My current view is we need to come down lower. It doesn't feel like capitulation yet. Some people already capitulate, that's fine, but I think we need to see one more capitulation, and it will probably be a phase when also I will get pissed off and when I will probably think about, are we really going to turn around once more? And that is what capitulation is like. It makes people really think, will we really get back on track? Will we really get back on track? And that, so I think it would be too easy to turn around now. I think we are going to see even lower prices for Bitcoin. And if not, then I will make you aware as soon as I see bullish signals here in the chart, as soon as we see a turnaround. But yeah, I can only really hope that this has prepared you. All my videos have prepared you for this moment. We are here. It was a long journey. So here we are. And hopefully we're going to turn around soon and go back to new all-time highs, because theoretically the price can do that now. So I will of course keep you updated. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.